Today we are looking at an advanced testing of the EMAs multi-timeframe plus trend indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel, where we will give you a list of winning indicators, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we are looking at an advanced testing of the EMAs multi-timeframe plus trend indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 85 different strategies, with 25 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 80% win rate. We've also tested a total of 889 indicators with 374 winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 90 of the winning indicators. 33 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 76% win rate. Now, if you are interested in a full list of these indicators and strategies along with their win rates, we've compiled all that information into spreadsheets, which you will get when you become a patron of the channel. And keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators in the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today we are looking at an advanced testing of the EMAs multi-timeframe plus trend indicator. And you can see it here on screen. It's quite a mouthful. And so the name of this indicator has actually been changed a little bit. And so I believe it comes up as the EMAs trend indicator, if I'm not mistaken. It took me a minute to find the exact one. And whenever I searched the original name of it as the EMAs multi-timeframe plus trend, it didn't seem to be coming up correctly. And so now once I got it on screen, I did notice that there seems to be a little bit of change to this indicator. And so, like I said, the name also seemed to have been changed, but it does seem like maybe the inputs on the indicator have also been changed. And so in the original video, whenever I pulled up the inputs right here, the only input was one input and it was set to a 72 period. And now you can see there is an additional input to it. And so it appears as though the creator of the indicator has updated the indicator. And so I say all of this because it does appear as though the indicator isn't exactly calculating the same way we looked at it in the original video. And so again, I don't know what the second calculation, what the second EMA or EMA. I'm not sure what the second EMA was set to originally as default because it wasn't displayed. And so I believe the creator of this indicator, when they updated this indicator, they bumped up the period of that second EMA. Because in the original testing, it did 25 trades within the 1 year's time. And looking at this, you can see, for example, if I scroll back here just a little bit, So this is basically 1 year right here, and you can see that the shift in here, I know it's kind of hard to see the actual signals themselves, but there's only about 2 or 3 signals here on screen right now. And that's very far from that 25 that we originally had. And it seems to be kind of a trend with this moving forward, just kind of playing with it, that it seems to be extending out the trend period for a long period of time. And so again, I know this is a lot for me to say, and I say that because, again, it seems to be different from the way we originally tested it. And so I kind of debated on whether or not to even test it, because it has obviously, or my opinion, seems to have obviously changed from the original indicator settings. And so it's not really true to the original indicator, but I figured why not go ahead and throw it on screen and give it a shot and see what we could get out of it on the daily time frame, the way it is set up now. And so the setup on this, what we were actually looking for was we turned off the EMA lines. And again, it's kind of hard to see, but you can see a little S right here. You can also see a little L right here. And those coincide when the indicators cross. And this is basically an EMA cross indicator. And so now originally these were up above and below the bars, but I bumped them down to the bottom right here. And so I changed it from above bar and below bar to the bottom, just so that way they're easier to see and spot. And so now in the original testing, like I said, this did 25 trades within the 1 year's time, and it did a 64% win rate. And so we did keep this on the daily time frame. And so before we take a look at what this was able to achieve in the advanced testing, if you would please give this video a thumbs up. Even if the indicator doesn't maintain that 60% criteria, please don't give it a thumbs down. Hurts the YouTube algorithm, and we want to keep YouTube happy. So please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. All right, so in the advanced testing, we did 50 trades like normal, and out of those 50 trades, we got 18 winning trades, and we got 32 losing trades. So that's going to put us at a 36% win rate, and so that's a significant drop from the original win rate that we got out of this. And so I have no doubt, again, that it appears this indicator has been changed significantly, dropping the win rate and dropping the number of trades within the 1 year's time. And so unfortunately, this one is going to go on the no list. Now, if you're looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the strategy that we've developed here on the channel after testing hundreds of indicators and different strategies. I will put a thumbnail of it up on screen right now. I will also link to it at the end of this video. I'll link to the video of the strategy with the same thumbnail. So you can just click on that, go straight to the source video, watch the video on it, learn the strategy. It's a proven, profitable trading strategy that we have back tested and forward tested. We're constantly tweaking and making small changes to it and testing it on other things. And we are constantly optimizing it. We are also looking to automate that strategy. Hopefully that's something we'll have done in the near future. And once we get that done, any of our current patrons will get access to the automated strategy for a discounted price, and any new patrons will get access to it, but at a higher price. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, that's it for this video. We're going to go ahead and cut it here. That way things don't get too long, and we'll move on to the next video from here.